they filmed the Ghostbusters scene. Oh, that one. We should go down to the basement and see if there's a ghost down there.
Dad, there is one. That's why we shouldn't go.
Okay.
Okay, it's our first basically real day in New York. We have been here a couple days, but both days we had to move places where we were going. So here's our New York list so far.
We have some more spaces, but
Megan doesn't like to just make a list on a piece, like write it like down a line like this. She always has to make it like artistic.
I don't want everybody to go to all of these, so everybody will kind of have to choose, you know, like I don't think everybody wants to go to the Fashion Institute of Technology.
I want to go here.
I was kind of hoping.
I want to go pool.
We got these skateboards. There's electric skateboards. We got them actually back when we were still in North Carolina. Hey, come back this way, guys. Daniel, come back this way. We got them before we left Charlotte when we were selling the trailer, and the kids have loved them. I keep on meaning to show them on a video, we just haven't. But they're these electric skateboards. They're pretty sweet. Okay, watch out, okay? Be careful. Come back this way. So Asher, let's look at this real quick.
What?
These are blink light. Blink light.
It's on.
Oh, there it goes. Electric skateboards. We've had them now since early May. They've been pretty fun, huh, Asher? You guys have been, wherever we have concrete, you've been riding them for the most part. But they last pretty well.
And that lasts like 1 hour probably. I mean,
You can ride it for an hour about?
yeah, about 1 hour, and that was slow down, slow down.
It's pretty sweet though.
You can go backwards.
Perfect in New York, then. Perfect in New York. Fun
Right,
traffic.
perfect for living in the city. So you can go forward, you don't go backwards, right?
Yeah. Here I have a F is forward, right is backward, R is backward.
Okay. So let's see you take off on it. Show me how fast it goes.
How fast?
Don't run into anybody, okay?
Okay. No problem.
This is kind of deserted. There we go. What is kind of cool about them is Daniel, if you hit reverse, it kind of makes it go slower, right?
You push this one, that will go forward. And if you push back, like that's in the middle, if you push back, that will stop. So.
Oh yeah, it slows it down. So
Yeah.
it kind of has brakes.
Yeah, I mean, if you turn on, if you like turn on backward, that will slow down too. But like you probably, I mean, if you're good enough, you're not good enough, you're gonna fall.
Yeah.
Mine first,
You gotta be careful, huh?
yeah, mine first I get it on and he just like and it fall.
She fell off.
Yeah, that's why mom making a rule that everybody wears shoes when we get on skateboard.
Oh yeah. They're pretty good. They're pretty heavy duty.
Daddy.
They have a little light on the side.
see you.
They've been having fun with these. We'll put a link down in the description. But it's
Daddy,
they've been
watch
really good toys for the kids. Just a fun thing to do outside. Okay, be careful, all right?
Okay.
Both of the cars ended up
It's
getting
our
denied.
first
Remember?
outing. We're going into the city
That was in Washington, D.C.
on
I know,
the
but
train.
We should make sure we don't do that.
All ready to go. All right, let's go. myself. I think we're actually gonna get there without any hiccups. Fingers crossed. Look at that, it's a meditation station.
What?
It's a meditation station.
Where?
Right there. Okay, so I got one thing wrong. I got the wrong side of the street. Should have come out on the other side of the street from the subway, but I did pretty well. We're pretty close.
We just wanted some on guard on our hands. Okay.
We were all in the subway.
Everybody's like rubbing their hands on the.
We're gonna do some
Put that on your hands.
disinfecting spray. With some essential oils.
Get that and whatever was on your hands. Why didn't you get anything?
I can get them.
Is that good?
Yeah, mine.
Don't spill them.
Are we going in, Eve? Yeah, we are. Eve, stop it. Be nice to mommy. You're getting a free ride on my back. You gotta be nice if you're gonna be on my back. After you gotta get out, babe. This way.
Whenever I go to one of those.
Over your bags? Whoa. What is this, men in invasion? What is all y'all doing in here, man?
It's our family.
I gotta call for backup now. I'll just set out extra doors because of you guys. Go inside.
Right there on that. You want to check anything or are we good? No, you're fine. Okay, good. Thank you. Is it beautiful in here?
Yes.
It is beautiful in here.
This is what I want my personal library to look like.
Yeah, me too. I mean,
Is that so much? It's just too much to ask for.
how amazing is that, huh? Pretty incredible? Pretty amazing, huh?
Couldn't have these please to lower? It hurts my neck.
Look at this room.
What's the
Mommy, I want to go there. Look at that. It's beautiful. Mommy, you're going in here. Let's just keep going to the next room. Okay. There's cameras everywhere. Let's go in.
Let's go in.
Pretty cool, huh? This is like a library. Just a room where you can come read and do your research. There's like a library and like a Harry Potter or something.
I can just
imagine. No, I mean in like
This is the room I think they filmed the Ghostbusters scene. Oh, that one. We should go down to the basement and see if there's a ghost down there.
There is one. That's why we shouldn't go.
Streams of violet rays coming over me. Must have been dreaming it all. It's beyond me. I never knew your thoughts were about me. Must have been dreaming it all. 'Cause I couldn't see. It's over me, way beyond me. But I'll take the chance now. Take the chance now. I still look at us like before. There's something beyond this open door, and maybe we can go further than we used to go. 'Cause now I know that I still look at us like before. There's something beyond this open door, and maybe we can go further than we used to go.
I wish I had a card so I could just like browse around.
I
all
know.
these books.
Check out books for the next month. Wish there was a way for us to like
This is wet.
do that when we're traveling, but I've thought about it and thought about it and thought about it. Unless the homeowner
let us use their card, but who wants to let somebody use their library card, you know?
So I got a ton of books.
You don't want me to, at least I never, I'm always returning my books like
when I was 5, I owed them like
$70.
yeah.
Yeah, we just buy books, we're better at that.
I can go through it all no matter what. It's over me, way beyond me. But I'll take the chance now.
Okay, as of 2010, this library has 44,000 million books and videotapes and maps. Look how many books they have.
Whoa,
44 million. Million. So many.
that's a lot.
'Cause now I know I still look at us like before. There's something beyond this open door. And maybe we can go further than we used to go. 'Cause now I know we used to go. 'Cause now I know where we belong.
Right there, the Chrysler Building. That's my favorite building in New York City. That, you know, I mean, like, big deal, everybody's favorite building, but I do love it. Shine like the top of the Chrysler Building. So about a block and 3/4 away from beautiful New York Public Library is the other end of the spectrum, and it's Times Square. Not a huge fan of Times Square, but when you can see that it's so close, it's like, all right, we'll go see Times Square. The reason I'm not a big fan is because, you know, it's kind of, not kind of, it's as worldly as it gets, and not always appropriate with the pictures that they show. So we're gonna hope we luck out. We might be quickly in and quickly out, we'll see.
Oh, where you from? There is only one race in the whole world today.
And what's that?
And that's the human race. Ladies and gentlemen, give yourselves a round of applause. Stay right there.
So Mike got roped into this dance thing. It's been going on forever. They're trying to get cash out of all of these guys. I don't know what is going on anymore.
Round them up. Guys,
That's ourselves. And it's never too late to know.
About 3 hours later. Oh my gosh, that took forever.
I didn't know what to expect when they put you out of the crowd.
Well, now you know. Knowing is half the battle. That was way easier. I don't know if we're getting better at it.
No, because that was really simple. It was just like, didn't have to get off any stops or switch
And it
any
was
trains.
cheap. When we went to DC, it was so expensive.
It was like over $100, wasn't it, to get us all into town?
Yeah,
Of course, this was a shorter.
and it was
shorter-
stressful. This was actually quiet and kind of enjoyable.
It's pretty easy.
Also, when you would zoom by all the traffic.
Oh, I didn't even see out the window.
Yeah, out the window, there's just like, it's like parking lots of streets, you know?
But even the train slowed down a little bit.
All right.
Okay.
That's a good workout every day.
Standing up.
Don't we go that way now?
One lesson I learned today is that if you stop to watch a street performance, you might end up being part of the performance. So stop with caution. Because, you know, you might be stuck there for a while in the performance.